So I would start off with the most basic AI functionalities that Accelerator today provides, which starts from unsupervised anomaly detection. Suppose you have hundreds of thousands of data assets, and for you to monitor them manually is not humanly possible. You need automated systems for that. And what Accelerator does is it detects all those anomalies, whether they be in the data patterns that are deviating from normal, or data quality or reliability scores that are deviating from the normal, or if some of your assets used to cost you $200 to operate on a monthly basis, but today they are costing you $500 to $700. We detect these anomalies in real time and surface them to the user in various shapes and forms. These can be used as part of dashboards, these can be leveraged to create alerts which directly go to a specific person who manages a set of infrastructure or set of data assets. With the proliferation of LLMs, we have also started providing more intuitive user experience on the UI, wherein user, rather than writing SQL queries, can interact with the platform in natural language. As in, you could say that, hey, I have this table called sales, and in this table I have a field called monthly sales. This monthly sales value should always be between $1 million and $2 million. And the natural language translator, or co-pilot as we call it, would essentially take that natural language input and convert it into data quality rules. We also automate a lot of drudgery tasks which data engineers don't like on a day-to-day basis. I mean, if you look at it, the major three tenets of a data engineer's job is reviewing and monitoring the current data assets, exploring and understanding new data assets, and optimizing all these data assets using various checks and balances. So we enable all those journeys by automatically giving recommendations to the customers on particular data asset. We also intelligently describe or generate metadata around your data assets, as in, if your data asset does not have a description, it might become very difficult for business users to understand what does foo underscore bar table mean. It might be a sales table, it might be a marketing table, it might be a finance table. So looking at the metadata, never gleaning into your data, we come up with all of these possible use cases on the platform, which are purely AI driven. I would like to define this experience as, so with the proliferation of Gen AI or LLMs, one common denominator that we see across industries, across products, is that any SaaS product which used to cater to a singular persona is essentially creating co-pilots or agents which automate the majority of the tasks for that persona. So today, if I am a data engineer, I would need assisted flows. Even engineers are doing that. They are, instead of typing code, they are pressing tab, 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 and going through various generations, either accepting those valid patterns or rejecting invalid patterns. Similarly, the ideal experience for a data engineer would look like, I should get a single pane dashboard which tells me the state of my data ecosystem, as in what is the accuracy, what is the reliability, what is the cost. And if I want to glean into any one particular component, I can very well converse in natural language to get to what I want, as opposed to going through a product flow, clicking on multiple entities, trying to glean information from there. So the entire process of processing and summarizing information, which used to rely on human operators back in the day, should be automated using AI today, so that their work evolves and the quality of the work that they do evolves. I would call that to be the ideal user experience on the platform.